Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix brightness on your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and apps. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find your game library. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps on this device. Here in the left, as you can see guys, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, if you want to fix brightness, click on settings. And then once you click on settings, once you go to settings, first of all, go ahead and click on system. And then once you do that, right here in beep and light, you can adjust your brightness to dim, medium, or bright if you want. This will change the brightness of your PlayStation 5. And then you can go back right here and go to screen and video. Here in screen and video, go ahead and click on video output. And then right here, you're gonna find video output information, resolution and frequency. And lastly, here in the bottom, you're gonna find color. So basically guys, from here you can adjust your colors, you can adjust your HDR. Make sure to turn it on if it's available on your monitor. As you can see guys, in my case, my TV doesn't support HDR. You can adjust your HDR if it's on. Here you're gonna find deep color output, display finer grades of color. To use HDR, you must select automatic. If you select off, the setting for HDR is also set to off. And also right here, you're gonna find RGB range. Make sure you set it to automatic. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.